Unveiling the secrets of rake it in, understand the idiom. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the popular English phrase, rake it in. Whether you've heard it in movies, songs, or someone just dropped it during a conversation, you've come to the right place to learn all about it. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this interesting expression and help you add another phrase to your English language arsenal. The phrase, rake it in, is an idiomatic expression used to describe earning money, often easily and in large amounts. It comes from the imagery of using a rake, the garden tool, to pull in leaves or debris towards oneself. Just like using a rake to gather leaves effortlessly, when someone is raking it in, they're accumulating wealth with similar ease. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember them better. The phrase, rake it in, is believed to originate from the 17th century, where it was used in the context of gambling. Gamblers would use a small rake to pull in their winnings across the gaming table. Over time, the phrase transcended gambling and became a metaphor for making money in general. Let's see how the phrase is used in different sentences. After their company went public, they really started to rake it in. With the release of her best-selling novel, the author was raking it in. During the holiday season, retail stores tend to rake it in. Using the phrase in various sentences helps us understand the context better and gives us an idea of how to use it naturally in conversation. Rake it in can be used in informal situations and is best suited for casual conversations. It's not typically used in formal writing or formal speech. It's a great way to add a colorful expression when discussing someone's financial success or when talking about a profitable venture. To expand your vocabulary further, let's look at some synonyms. Make a killing, to earn a lot of money very successfully. Hit the jackpot, to suddenly make a lot of money or have a lot of success. Earn a fortune, to make a very large amount of money. Understanding synonyms can also give you alternative ways to express the same idea without repeating the same phrase. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase, rake it in, for you and that you feel more confident using it in your daily conversations. Remember, idioms can spice up your language and give you a more native-like fluency. Keep practicing, and you'll be raking in those language skills in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.